Swiss Reinsurance Company Limited versus DCIT. So, Section 191(1)(I) income deemed to accrue or arise in India. Business connections, reinsurance business, service department, agreement with the Indian subsidiary DTAA, India and Switzerland. Held that necessary assessee had any business connection in India as per the explanation 2I to section 9(1), nor did it have any permanent establishment in India. Thus, the SRSIPL hmm, could not be considered as a service department agent or permanent establishment associate. Of the fact of SRSIPL has not a permanent establishment of associate, thus a profit earned from the reinsurance business could not be brought to tax in India. So this Swiss reinsurance company doesn't have a permanent establishment in India. So as they been accepting reinsurance money from Indian company, then such income what they receive through reinsurance is not taxable due to their non-establishment of permanent establishment. So in this case, the SRSIPL is the Swiss reinsurance company. So they don't have the permanent establishment. Thank you.